How to rotoscope in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get into it. Start by selecting your clip, then come into the Fusion panel. Choose the Media In node, then press Shift Space on your keyboard and search for Magic Mask. Add the Magic Mask to your nodes, then come up into the inspector. If you don't see it, you can click it up here. Then come into Tools, change the mode to Better, and then click the paint dropper icon for the plus and draw a rough selection around your subject. It doesn't need to be crazy precise. If it's missed out part of your subject, you can zoom into these areas and then just simply paint over them again, like so. In my case, I am going to do additional painting around the edges just to make sure they get included. In this case, this has done a great job. However, if you need to remove things from the selection, click into the minus and then you just have to brush over them again, like so. For this scenario, I'm going to just add in a couple more masking points on my subject here just to make sure it's all included. Next, come over to the refine range and change this figure anywhere between 30 and 50. Experiment with different figures to suit your own video's needs. I'm going to keep mine at 30 for this example. Next, make sure your playhead is at the beginning and then press play. And then DaVinci will start tracking forward the motion of your subject. With the tracking complete, you can then come back into the Edit tab and you will see that you have a perfectly rotoscoped subject for your video. And that's all there is to it.